Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man VV, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really quick, really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys the 3-step EQ process for EQing rap vocals. It's going to make your vocals sound perfect every time if you just follow these 3 steps. All right, so let's jump right in. We're in our free template, and look, man, if you don't have a free template, if you don't have a template for recording in Pro Tools or in Logic, check out my free templates down below, man. They're going to change the way you sound, change the way you record, and they're really going to inspire you to make some really great music right away. All right, so check out the free templates. They're down below. They're completely free. Let's jump into this track. I'm going to play you back a little bit of the verse, and I'm going to jump into what I did EQ-wise and show you a couple of different plugins that are going to get us the same results EQ-wise. So I'm just picking a random spot of the track right here. Seems like a good spot, so we'll just play back these few bars, and we'll go into the EQ. Here we go.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, that's your move.
Okay, cool. So the vocal already sounds pretty clean. It already sounds pretty cool. There's a few issues that I know that I can address, and they're kind of the issues that are in every vocal. So if you learn to address these issues, you can make really any vocal sound great. So let's work on that. I'm actually going to grab the Infinity EQ just so I can show you this in a graphic EQ so you can get the technique down, and then we'll jump into more of more of an emulated EQ like an SSL EQ, an API or something like that, and then get some color as well as these same benefits of EQ. So we're going to do 3 steps in the EQ. All right, we're going to clean, we're going to reduce, and then we're going to boost. All right, clean, reduce, boost. That's what we're going to do. All right, so once you know those 3 steps, you can EQ any vocal. So let's play it back, and we'll start with the cleaning.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, that's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do.
And did you hear how quickly that just kind of cleaned up the vocal? Now, I'm exaggerating it. We're actually up really high, but since I'm doing such a shallow slope on my high pass filter, I can go up a little bit higher without really losing a whole lot of low end in my vocal. So the first step, we're going to clean. So we're cleaning up the low end. We're rolling off everything we don't need. Now let's go ahead and reduce. We're going to grab another band of EQ, and we're going to do some reductive EQ by creating an EQ sweep. I usually boost this 8-10 dB. And we're going to actually make it pretty narrow. We're just going to sweep through the frequencies and listen for what's building up, what's a little too loud, what's not quite fitting into the mix, and see if we can reduce that some. So let's work on that.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, that's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, that's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you.
And so really what we did was we just took out some bulkiness from the vocal, kind of made it a little less heavy, a little less bass forward, and that's going to actually allow us to compress it better and get that vocal louder and more present and in front of the track, which is where we want it to be. So we've cleaned, we've reduced, now let's boost. We're just going to take a high shelf and we're going to boost from a point that we do find pleasing. And so not a huge boost, 1.5, 2 dB at most. And I like to drag it back. I kind of start too low, like down in the 2000s, 1000 range, and then I'll move everything up. So in the 1K, 1.5K, 2K range, and I'll start to move the band up until it's not boosting too much of the high end. And I settle somewhere in the 4 to 7K range is where I usually stop. It just depends on the vocal, depends on the song, depends on, the overall vibe of the track. So let's jump into that.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, that's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl. Tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, that's your move.
All right, bet. And you can hear it that quickly, like it completely changed the vocals. So let's flip back and forth and hear the before and after, because it is a subtle change, but it really does give the vocal what it needs to kind of go on to the next step in the mixing process. So let's bypass it and then we'll bring it in and out.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, now it's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through.
And just like that, it's really crazy how we did that. So that's using just kind of, a standard EQ that's not really adding any kind of sonic character. It's really just boosting or removing frequencies. So let's try to mimic these same moves, the same 3 steps on a more, let's say a more sonically aggressive EQ is the words I'll use. So let's go to this VMR right here that I have loaded up, and I also have a compressor, but we'll bypass that. And this is the EQ channel that I used. Let me actually go ahead and reset it to default so everything's at 0, and I'm going to dial in the EQ again and kind of see, what the differences is. I'm going to do essentially the same thing. I'm going to do essentially the same 3 moves, but I want to see which EQ kind of sounds better and show you that you can apply the same technique to different types of EQs and get the same results. So let's start at the bottom with the filter.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, now it's your move.
So as you can hear, the filter on this SSL EQ is a lot more aggressive. Therefore, I can't go up as high as I could with the Infinity EQ because I had a little bit more control over the slope of the curve. So here you see I'm cutting a lot less. So that might affect how we cut the next band of the EQ. We're just gonna have to see. Let's see what we get to.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, now it's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, now it's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, now it's your move. Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you.
And so you can see the bands that I boosted are actually different. But I think the sound is similar. I think using a different EQ gives you a different sonic character. And so you might use these techniques differently, but it's the techniques that work, not the specific frequencies and stuff that we boost. All right. So let's flip back between the two. The first EQ, the Infinity, and the EQ right here, the SSL EQ. So let's see how that sounds.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do.
Let's switch back to the VMR, the SSL EQ.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, now it's your move.
So what's crazy is I think they both sound really close. They do both sound really good, but the SSL EQ is adding a little bit of compression as well. And it could just be the channel emulation, but there's compression coming through from somewhere. No, it can't be the channel emulation because I'm emulating the channel here as well. So it's got to be coming from the SSL EQ, and it's adding some compression. It's actually shaping the transients a little bit in a pleasing way. So I like that a little bit better than the Infinity EQ. But really, either version is usable. Either version is usable. You're not going to really notice a huge difference. So look, man, those are the 3 tips. When you're ready to EQ your rap vocals, you want to get it done quickly. You want to get it done right every time. Remember, you have to clean, you have to reduce, you have to boost. All right. Look, if you don't have a free template, check out my free template. It's completely free. It's down below. Remember, I'm Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Yeah, let me help you what you going through. Ball in your court, girl, tell me what you gonna do. Don't miss out on this good shit right in front of you. Yeah, now it's your move.